Hola! Today I'm going to tell you something about my fabulous holidays in Mexico. But first, I want to give you some facts about this awesome country. Mexico is in Middle America. More than 110 million people are living there. That's a lot. In comparison, Austria has 8 million people. That's 12 times smaller than Mexico. The capital city of Mexico is Mexico City, which is in the central of Mexico. More than 20 million people are living there. That's 10 times bigger than Vienna. Mexico City was built on an old ancient city. Mexico is really famous for their food. If you like hot and spicy food, the Mexican food is perfect for you. They flavor it with chili and other hot spices. It burns like hell when you taste it the first time. But if you have an experience with hot and tasty food, you will love the Mexican food. Another fact is that the Mexican eats often eat maize bread because other kinds of corn does not grow in Mexico because of the hot climate there. So they have to eat maize, and yeah, they can bake really good maize bread. Okay, now I give you some examples for Mexican traditional tortillas, nachos with avocado dip, burritos. Last but not least, chili con carne. Now I'm going to give you an example of the Mexican music. So, I have to stop because you probably get bored because it's really long and not really exciting. Yeah, and now I'm going to tell you something about my holidays. So, I was in Mexico City, which is the capital of Mexico, and yeah, we slept in a four stars hotel. Um, nice food, nice rooms. Yeah, it was really hot and dusty because it didn't rain. And I found some snakes on the streets. Yeah. The people there are really friendly, and yeah, it's a really interesting country. I hope you enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching. Bye.